How to send newsletters using system.io. So if you want to know that how you can send the email newsletters to your email list, to your subscribers with the help of system.io, then watch this video till the end, because in this video I am going to show you the step by step process that you need to follow to send the email newsletters to your subscribers. Hello everyone, my name is Rishabh Jain. I'm a funnel marketing coach, and my mission with this channel is to give you the right strategies, tactics, and knowledge about the sales and marketing funnels so that you can build and grow your coaching and consulting business, and together we can achieve our dream of freedom and abundance. So let's just begin the video. So right now, what as you can see on my screen, that I am inside my system.io account, and here if I will show you that how you can send the email newsletter, then what you need to do, you need to go to this section emails, and then you need to click newsletter. So what I have just clicked the newsletter. So as you can see that these are the various newsletters that I have sent to my subscribers using system.io. So now I'm going to show you how you can do it. So what you need to do, you need to create this button, create a newsletter. Okay, now this will pop up. Now what you need to do, you need to write your subject line here. So what I'm going to do, I have actually uh, written down everything that what I want to send. I have already sent the news an email to my subscribers in another autoresponder, so I'm going to use the same. So let's just copy everything from here, and so this is my subject line, and I'm using this email just to re-engage with my list, because if you have not sent the emails from past so many days, then you have to re-engage your audience, and that's what I'm trying to do with this email. So this is what the whole objective. So I have written down my subject line. Now the next thing is I will write down the sender's name. So I will write down my name, the name from which you want to send the email, and then you have to write down the email ID. So basically you cannot write the Gmail address here, you have to write the business email address here. If you have the Gmail address, then you will not be able to send the email. So first of all, create a business email for your website, and then use that to send emails. So let me just do that. I already have this address, so that is connect at the rate therishabhjain.com. Okay, I have written down my email address from which I want to send the email, right? And then what I am going to do here, there are two methods. There is one is visual editor, and second one is classic editor. So in visual editor, what you can do, you can edit, you can add images, you can add various elements. It's more like an HTML kind of newsletter. But what I am going to do here, I'm going to use the classic editor. The classic editor is a plain screen where you will write down everything. So I'm going to use plain classic editor, and then I will hit this button create. And as soon as you create the as soon as you hit the create button, you will see this screen. So this is the screen where you have to do the work. You have to write down your email. So as you can see that here the subject line is showing, your sender name and email address is showing, and we have this side pane where we will have a few settings that we need to do when we will send the emails. When you scroll down at the bottom, you will see that here you will have some substitutes. So these are some parameters that you can use, or I would say some simple codes that you can use if you want to personalize your emails. So suppose if you want to mention the email address of the subscriber somewhere in the email, you can just copy this particular thing and paste it in your email copy, and what it will do, it will replace the it will replace this code with the email address of that subscriber. Or suppose if you want to use their name in the email, then also you have to do the same. You have to copy this particular code, this particular thing here, and what you need to do, you need to paste it in this area. Okay, wherever you want their name. So suppose I want to address them with their name, so I will write down hey, and then I will write down the, okay, sorry, I think it was not copied, so let me just do copy again. Okay, so this is the thing that I want to copy. I will copy, and then what I will do, I will just uh, use it here. And what's going to happen, it's going to replace the first name with the actual first name of the subscriber. But make sure that you have collected the first name when you are generating the leads. If you have not generated first name, if you have not collected the first name, then in that case it's not going to replace it. So you have to use only the data which you have collected with the help of system.io, because otherwise the tool will not know that what is the first name, or what is the state, or what is the tax number, what is the phone number. Okay, so if you have collected the data, then you can use, otherwise you cannot use it. But I'm not going to use it. I'm simply going to say hey, and or what I will do, I will just copy the email from the mail that I have already written down. So let me do that. Okay, yeah, here. So as you can see, this is the email that I want to send. So I will just copy the entire email. This is the email that I just copied it, and now I will paste it here. Okay, this is how it's looking, right? And this is my mail. I will just make some changes. Suppose, for example, here I want to replace this Sunday with I want to say weekend. Okay, uh, first of all, happy weekend. Okay, so I have, then after that, I think all the things are now good, and I don't think I want to change anything here, because this is a very targeted email that I have written for my audience. So what I will do, I will just have a quick look that everything is working fine. So here you can see there is a link, and I want to see that whether link is working or not. So as you can see that yes, there is a link, and yeah, so link is there, so I don't need to do anything here also. And let me check this email. Yeah, okay, so this is also there, right? So how you will add the link, let me just show you here once. Suppose if you want to make this thing as clickable, and you want to make it as a call to action, you will select it, and then you will go here. Okay, let me just scroll up and show you exactly. Okay, yeah, here. So what I will do, I will simply use this thing, okay, this link, and then I will paste my link here, the link where you want to redirect the person. Suppose you want to redirect them on the YouTube, so you will copy the video URL and you will paste it here. You want to, suppose you want to target them to your website, then you will copy the URL of the website and you will paste it here, and then you will hit OK. And once you will do that, this text will be converted into this kind of hyperlink, and it will be clickable, and people can click and go to that page. So this is how it works. Now I have written down the email and everything is ready. So let's just see the settings that we are going to do here. So if you want to add an attachment, you can add, but I don't actually prefer adding any kind of attachment in the email. Okay, and this is the setting, send emails only to contacts, register over. So if you want to send the emails to the subscribers who are like new, suppose if you want to send it to the people who have just signed up, so you can give actually decided time frame here. Suppose you want to send the emails to the people who have registered from past 7 days, so you will replace it 7. And what will happen, all the subscribers who were subscribed 7 days before will be able to see the mail, will be able to get the mails. Okay, and all the people after who have registered in last 7 days will not be able to see it. Okay, so this is how it works. uh, because it's registered over 7 days ago, right? So the people who already more than 7 days in your email list, they will get the email. Here it's zero, it means anyone who have just registered in my list is going to get the email. It's like everyone, because uh, everyone is registered, everyone in my list is registered more than 0 days, so it means that everyone is going to get the email. So this is how it works. Now you have to include the tags. What are the tags where you want to send the emails? So we have already we already create the tags initially. If you want to learn about the concept of tags, how tags work, I have other videos in my channel where you can see these things. So I will just link them on the I button or in the description. You can just go and check it out. So basically you already have created the tags. Now what you need to do, you need to select the tags. Tags means like a list. The list, because we can have multiple lists inside an email autoresponder, right? So which list you want to send the email to? So here I want to send the email uh, to my sales funnel leads, and I want to send it to my coaching guide leads. Okay, these are the two lists that I want to send the email. So, and also I want to send it to affiliate lead FP challenge. Okay, so now what will happen? And here you will have exclude. If you want to exclude any particular tag, you can exclude that, but there is no need. If you have already selected that which tags you want to include, this setting is not going to play any role. And then what you need to do, you only need to schedule the email. Okay, everything is done. So basically everything is done here, and now the next step would be save and send test email. So it's very important that you send the test email before sending the actual email, so that you can see that how it's looking and how it's working, right? So I have sent it the test email, right? I have sent it the test email, and maybe I will get the email in my inbox. So let me just check. Let me just check my inbox. Okay, so I have got the email. As you can see that I have received the email. So what I will do, I will simply just go and see that links are working or not. So as you can see that the link is working, right? So because the link is working, everything is fine. And as I scroll down, I can see that it's looking very plain and very good, simple. I like the simple emails, so it's looking very simple, like I have written it to my friend. So this is very important in marketing, that you send the emails which are very simple, and people should feel like that they are getting the email from their friend. Okay, so now this is done. The next step would be, let me just go here. The next step will be, we will schedule the newsletter. Okay, so how we are going to do, we will click this button. Okay, and when we'll click this button, it will give us the option to send the email, to schedule actually our email, the timing that we want to send the email. So if you want to send it now, you can click simply this button, send now. And if you want to schedule the email, then you have to just simply select the time from here. So actually I want to schedule it. So what I will do, I will select the time, I will select the date, and then I will select the time from here. So let me just select the time. Okay, yeah. So suppose I want to send the email at 11. Okay, not today. I will send it. Okay, let's send it today at I would say 7. Okay, 7 in the evening, or I would say 7:30. Okay, 7:30. All right. So let's just apply. Right, as you can see that it's 23/7/2022 9:30 p.m. 19:30 p.m. Okay, so I have set the time when I want to send the email, and now the next step would be I will just hit this button send, and as you can see it's confirming that the timing is right or not. So if you think that timing is right, you will just simply click confirm, and yes, you have scheduled your email, as you can see, right? And your email is scheduled now. The only thing that you need to do now is when you will send the email, after sending the email you can go and click this button and see the stats. Okay, that how many people have opened the email and what is the, like, as you can see that this is how you will see that how many people have opened the email and everything. So mine was very bad actually. Last time when I have sent it the email, as you can see the open rate was only 6%, right? Because my email list, this email list is almost dead, and what I am trying to do, I am actually trying to reactivate the list, and that is why I have written this email. So this is very important. Okay, uh, now I think you have the clarity and you know exactly how you are going to send the emails with the help of system.io. So let me know in the comment section that do you find this video useful, and are you using system.io for your email marketing? Because system.io is a tool which will help, which will give you so many things. You can build sales funnels, you can host your courses, you can do your complete email marketing inside this tool, right? So it's a great tool. I use it, I'm using it from past 1 year, and I'm very soon going to renew it, my renew it because my subscription is coming to end. So I'm going to renew it again because it's a very very powerful tool. So let me know, guys, what do you think about this video, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel and hitting the bell icon so that you will be notified about all the future videos. And I have the video where I will show you how you can build the sales funnel, a complete lead generation funnel with the help of system.io in 30 minutes. So if you want to see that video, you can simply watch I would say this video on the top, this particular video on the top. And if you want to see the see that how you can create the affiliate for marketing funnel with the help of system.io, then you can watch this video in the bottom. Okay, this video is also going to help you to understand the affiliate funnel with the help of system.io. So that's all for this video, guys. See you in the next video. Till then, stay awesome, stay blessed. Thank you very much.